On December 13, 2022, the All India Trinamool Congress Chairperson Ms. Mamata Banerjee addressed thousands of enthusiastic party workers and members of the Meghalaya TMC at the Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong. Members of the state, district and block committees, along with members from women, youth and student frontals of the party, were also present at the August gathering. Through the Party Workers' Convention, Mamata Banerjee launched TMC's flagship Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment scheme, which promises a guaranteed income support of Rs 1,000 per month or 12,000 rupees yearly to a woman of every household in the state, on the lines of West Bengal's successful Lakshmi Bhandar scheme, which has already benefited 1.8 crore women in the state. She reaffirmed her commitment to the women of Meghalaya through this unique campaign and instructed the party workers to ensure that this scheme reaches every household of the state.
There is a rumor. What rumor? Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party. If Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party, then why do you song for Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, the national song? He is from Bengal. But the song is a national song for all over the country. Rabindranath Tagore visited so many times in Meghalaya. It was his favorite place. But national song also, who have written this? Rabindranath Tagore. And now it is for all India. Jana Gana Mana Udinayaka Jaya He. You tell me Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. His slogan is Jai Hind. Can you say that he is only Bengali? Mother Teresa also got Nobel Prize from Calcutta. Can you say that he is a Bengali? Why do we divide the caste to caste? Religions to religions. Let us work together. Let us think together. Let us speak together. I think Trinamool Congress, BJP is jealous because they tried their best in our election also. What they have not done? Everything. Misusing the power. But at least we have got 2/3 majority. They cannot defeat us. And Meghalaya also, I am telling you, when I started Trinamool Congress party, 98, after 2 months, they are at the parliament election. People even were not aware about the flag, about the symbol. They were watching, waiting. But first time we have got the 7 MPs. Now I have 36 MPs. And they raised your voice. Already they raised the voice of Meghalaya. At Trinamool Congress, it is not West Bengal Trinamool Congress. It's All India Trinamool Congress. Why do we say Trinamool? Trinamool means the grassroots.